name is Isabel Badilla, and today I will be discussing the topic in the age of globalization. Introduction. Globalization means source word is more connected through technology, trade, and culture. It's it's allow ideas and beliefs to spread quickly across borders. Religions play a big role in this exchange. It shapes values, identity, identity, and how people see the world. My point is that religion still matters in the age of globalization because it continues to guide people morally, unite communities, and promote peace, even as it faces modern challenges. Body paragraph 1. The positive roles of religions. Religions bring peoples together. Faith-based groups often lead in helping the poor, protect, protecting the environment, and promoting faith. It also gives moral directions in a world that can sometimes feel focused on money and success. Interfaith religions between different religions promote respect and understanding, proving that faith can unite rather than divide. This is the second body paragraph. The challenges religion faces, but religion also struggle in a globalized world. Many people become less religious due to modernizations and science. Tradition can lose meaning when mixed with commercialism of global culture. Conflict may also arise when we live
Conclusion.
class
Even
online
with
or
these challenges,
in diverse
religion
society.
still matters. It
This
gives
shows how
people hope,
religion must adapt
purpose, and a
to
sense
stay
of
relevant.
belonging. In my life, religion reminds me to be kind, honest, and compassionate. In society, it continues to inspire unity and service. Globalizations connect us, but religions give us meaning. It's remind